Right? You think things are right or wrong. Anything is right or wrong. And you think that people are bad or good because of that. I want you to stop thinking in bad or good or right or wrong. I want you to start thinking in what you resonate with. When I do this, I'm good. When I do this, I'm bad. That's in your head. It's in your head. It's all in your head. It's all ruled by people. Is it because you're religious or is it because you got it from society?
It's because I live here in this country where it's all about
Yeah.
just going to work and earn your money and behave. And it's
So
even,
exactly. So know that it's made up. I don't think in right or wrong. I used to. I used to too. I used to. I think what excites me and what not. What excites you will always make your life better and other people's lives better. You will not hurt someone following your true excitement. So you just stop thinking about that you're hurting your parents or people around you, or that you need to please them. You're not here to please anyone. Matter of fact, if you please someone, you teach them not being independent. Can you see you're
give
more
me,
emotional now than earlier? You feel what I'm saying? You let yourself feel, you're more vulnerable. Now things hit you. Can you feel that? You look different. So this is what I
oh,
want you to
yeah.
do. I want you to go from your feelings, not because you were in your mind the whole time earlier. And you were like, this is right, this is wrong. In Switzerland, you're supposed to do this, you're supposed to do that. And see how you were like completely running away from me, from yourself, from everything. You were so confused. And now you're in your body. And in your body, there's no right, wrong. There's no good, bad. There's only what am I excited about? What do I love? I love dancing. I dance right now. I love doing crypto. I do this right now. This is where you make your decisions from, not this.
Mm. Oh, shit.
This changes everything for you.
My whole life is made of this.
Your whole life is made up there, and your whole life will
Yeah.
change now. Your whole life will be happier. Everything will be happier. All this weight will fall off now.